Hello everyone, it's Tutoye, and today we are looking at the area of a triangle. When we talk about area, it is the portion that has been covered by a particular shape. And when you talk about a triangle, it is a plane shape that is bounded by three lines. And so, depending on the type of question you have, there are three different formulas that can be applied in solving the area of a triangle. We have the following formulas. Number one, area equals to half base times height. We use this formula when you have a triangle like this, where this is the base and this is the height. So you multiply these two and divide it by 2, and that gives you your result. The triangle could also appear like this. So we have this as the base, and then there's usually an altitude over here. So this is the height. So if you have either of these two, you have to apply half base times height. The second is area equals half AB sine C. Now this time around, you are given an angle. Say for instance, you have this is your theta here, and then I have A, I have B. Alright, so to calculate the area of this type of triangle, all I need to do is find half of this length times this length, then take the sine of this angle. We will look at examples very soon. Number 3, you have the square root of s into bracket s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Now, this time around, you have a triangle where all the three sides are given. So, A, B, and C, these are the three sides, all right? And then S stands for semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So, how do you get that? You start by adding the three sides and dividing it by 2. So, I have A plus B plus C over 2. So, whatever that gives me is what I'll now use in this formula. So from this question, you will see that the base is 8 centimeter, and then the height is 5 centimeter. So A equals to half base times height. That is half of 8 times 5. 2 here 1, 2 here is 4, so that gives me 20 centimeter squared. Of course, the square is there because it's an area. I have multiplied two different quantities having centimeter as their unit, so that makes sense to us. So in the second example, we have been asked to find the area of this triangle, and remember I told you when there's an angle given, we apply half AB sine C. So in this case, A and B are 6 and 9, or 9 and 6, depending on you. It wouldn't matter anyway. So I have A equals to half times 6 times 9 multiplied by sine 30 degrees. So A equals 2 here 1, 2 here is 3. 3 times 9 gives me 27 times sine 30 degrees. That's 27 times. Now, by our knowledge of trigonometric ratios, we know that sine 30 is 1 over 2, or 0.5. You can as well use your calculator. So half of 27 is 13.5 centimeter squared. You see, that was very easy. Okay, so this time around, we have a triangle where all the three sides are given, and that is when we apply the Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Some textbooks have it as Hero's formula, and that actually sounds more catchy, so most people prefer to go with this. So it's okay. So we have that A equals the square root of s into s minus A into S minus B and S minus C. And I told you must start by getting the semi-perimeter, which means you had all these three sides. 3 plus 4 plus 5, and divide the result by 2. When you add all of this, you get 12. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So I would go back here to say that A is the square root of 6 into bracket 6 minus, I'm taking it in this order, 3, 6 minus 4, and then 6 minus 5. So eventually I have A equals to the square root of 6 into 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So I have A equals the square root of 6 times 3 is 18 times 2, that's 36. So A is equal to 6 centimeter squared, and that's the area of this particular triangle. So you see, when you are given problem on the area of a triangle, first study what you've been given and then determine what formula is applicable in that case. I hope this helps. Please let me know in the comment section if you understand what has been taught. Thank you very much.